Local news for Friday the 14th of September. August real estate stats around and prove that last month was a very busy month. Carterton had 19 sales, with only one sold under RV. South Wairarapa saw 21 sales, with Masterton selling 53 properties. Gimson Street sections went from $125,000 in Masterton and a Pinedale Crescent residence selling for $600,000. The highest value property sold was one in Kiratawhiti Street, Greytown, at over $1 million. Internationally acclaimed American jazz guitarist Chris Standring will perform an exclusive one-off concert in Wairarapa this November. Accompanying him will be Wellington musician Nick Granville and his band, or a founding member of the Wellington Jazz Orchestra, also known as the Roger Fox Big Band. Nick has worked with artists as diverse as Tony Lindsay, Santana singer, Dave Matthews and Ronan Keating. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush will look to build on last week's win as they take on Buller tomorrow at Trust House Memorial Park. Kick-off is at 2:30. Buller are so far winless in the competition, and the under-11s, under-14s and under-18s are all playing tomorrow as well, with games beginning from 11 a.m.